Hey kids, it's me, Mr. Archer, and today in Blender we'll be talking about how to edit a mesh. In our default scene, with our cube selected, go to the upper left, choose Edit Mode. With our mesh selected, we can deselect everything by double tapping A on our keyboard. There. Up here, we can select individual parts of our mesh. Our vertex select tool is highlighted. I can grab a single vertex, hit G on my keyboard, move that around. Go to my edge select tool, select an edge, move that around. Face select tool, grab a face, move that around. Go back to edge, move this down. If we go back to face, select the whole face here, hit X on our keyboard. We'll choose to delete that single face. There. If we choose our vertex select, we can left click a single vertex. If you hit shift, and you can select 4 vertices there, and we can hit F on our keyboard, put that face back. Cool, huh? You can also use these tools off to the left here. So if we have face select, and we go to extrude, we can grab this and move that face along that axis, the x-axis. Grab this face, move that. There. That's pretty cool, huh? There you go. So I want you to take your cube and edit it, and then render that image out and post on Facebook.